This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. For improved access, pull the engine cover upwards from place and remove it. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a Torx bit, slacken the engine sump drain plug half a turn. Position a suitable container under the engine sump, then fully unscrew the drain plug and allow the engine oil to drain into the container. Undo the two Torx bolts and slacken the nut. Then remove the metal shield over the filter housing. Using a large socket, unscrew the filter cap and remove the filter element. Clean the filter cap and housing. Lubricate the rubber seals on the base of the new filter element with a little clean engine oil. Then locate the filter into the housing. Remove the old seal from the filter cap. Then fit the new seal, ensuring it locates correctly in the groove of the cap. Apply a little clean engine oil to the cap seal, then refit it to the housing and tighten it to 25 Newton meters. Refit the metal shield over the filter housing. And tighten the fasteners securely. Where necessary, refit the engine top cover. Clean any traces of old oil from the drain plug. And renew the sealing ring. Wipe clean the area around the sump drain hole. Then refit the plug and tighten it to 20 Newton meters. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle gently to the ground. Fill the engine through the filler tube, using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, Then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the sump. Continue to add oil, a small quantity at a time, until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Adding approximately a further 1 litre will bring the level up to the upper mark on the dipstick. Securely refit the filler cap, then start the engine and run it at idle speed for a few minutes. Stop the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump. Then recheck the oil level, adding more oil as necessary. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Firmly lower the bonnet and check that it's securely locked.